Everybody, welcome back. I have the 3Racing XI Sport in front of you again. I just want to share with you all the changes I made to it before I took it out yesterday. First of all, I changed out the servo to this Power HD D12. And I also changed the servo horn to an aluminum racing one. I also changed out the receiver from the Sanwa to this Fly Sky so I can use the GT3B. And I just rearranged the on-off switch with the ESC, but that didn't change. And I also didn't change the motor. Another thing I did that you can't really see here is I swapped out these 5.5 millimeter wheel hexes and I put in 8 millimeter ones to match the body and make it look a little bit better. Obviously increase the track width. It drove a little bit differently, but I'll show you the footage of that. Mostly the biggest change and what affected the driving the most was the servo. I think the servo is incredibly fast, incredibly strong as well, and I actually had a lot of trouble driving the car when I first started. It was just way too twitchy and I had a lot of trouble controlling it. I actually ended up turning down the expo to -80 just to get a little bit more control on it, but I was still having trouble, as you can see in the video. I also turned down the throttle to 55%. Just something about the car just drove completely different from the last time I took it out, and I just had a lot of trouble controlling it. But it's something I know I can tune out and overcome with practice. So first, let me show you what happened yesterday. It's going that way. It's going this way.
Come on, John. Station Valley.
What's going on with it?
No, he hit me a freaking.
Oh, he bumped you. Oh.
He was going the wrong way. Yeah, but I didn't know they changed the fucking way of the track. Well, we had that way last time. No, I kind of did it in the window. Keep it down so it looks bad.
Take it 5 minutes. Okay. Oh, I almost lost it after 5 minutes. Can you try it? Let's be real careful. I'm telling you, it's like a